Imagine entering a space filled with rhythmic chants, deep drums, or ringing bells. Across the world, people have used music in sacred rituals to create powerful, transformative experiences. Science now reveals why. Certain sounds and rhythms can synchronize brainwaves, inducing altered states of consciousness. These vibrations help quiet the analytical mind, foster profound relaxation, and even spark feelings of unity or transcendence. Whether through chanting, drumming, or singing bowls, sacred music bridges the gap between mind and spirit, guiding listeners inward.